Hey guys, congratulations on getting to the end of your Webquest. I want you to know that I'm already super impressed with all of the work that you've put into this, and I'm really excited to start the Outsiders with you next week after spring break. Thank goodness we have spring break, right? So for your final reflection, what I want you to do is I want you to record at least a 3-minute video of yourself explaining some of the things that you've learned through the Outsiders Webquest, some of the things that you liked about the project, some of the things that you didn't like. Yes, if you didn't like the project, you can say, I didn't like the project, but I want you to tell me why. How can I make it better? What would have made it a better project for you? So, like I said, 3 minutes long. These are personal reflections. If you do the reflection, if you give me a 3-minute video, even if you just tell me very briefly that you hated all of it and you wish I would get rid of it, and then tell me why it's a waste of your time, I will give you full credit. So, good luck. Congratulations again on finishing your Webquest, and have a super great spring break as soon as you finish this video. Thanks, guys. Bye.